So Lyndon thinks we're at a place called Atlanta because we're Atlanta. So tonight we're gonna stay Atlanta. Tomorrow we'll still be Atlanta. She really wants Kelsey to come Atlanta. That took me a minute. So we're gonna go explore Atlanta a little bit. We first got to the aquarium right after lunch, and it was a little overwhelming because it was so crowded. There must have been like 50 school field trips there. But after a couple hours, the school field trips started to go home, and we got to see the last 3 exhibits all within the last 45 minutes or so. Honestly, I can't really recall too much of the river exhibit because I was just wrangling kids. Like, I was just trying to make sure that Lyndon and Maple weren't getting hurt or lost. Then we went to a dolphin show, which was really fun because Lyndon and Maple have never been to a show of any kind before. Maple was mesmerized. She was just sitting completely still, which is, not a common occurrence for her. And we didn't get any video of the dolphin show because you're not allowed to. Well, there was one big room with just a giant floor-to-ceiling glass aquarium. It was like being underwater. It really was. It was as close to scuba diving as you can get without actually scuba diving. Lyndon and Maple were both sitting right up at the window just watching turtles and stingrays and what were those, whales? Like all sorts of stuff just swim by.
Whale sharks.
Whale sharks. I think we get to go on a conveyor belt and then fish will swim around us in a glass dome above us. I guess Lyndon and Maple wanted to go ride with another family. They're both up there, but they're safe.
Oh wow, look at that. That's the whale shark.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this stingray, Lyndon. So big. So big.
Well, we all had a great time at the aquarium, but it wore everyone out. I'm exhausted. All 3 of them are passed out. We're gonna walk back to the hotel and see if we can get some snacks or something. Recharge. We're about to go check out Max's Coal Oven Pizza. We're in Atlanta, so of course we need some New York style pizza. I mean, our pizza taste varies actually. We appreciate lots of different kinds. But yeah, I guess we judge by the New York style thin pizza. The Yelp reviews are really good. It's supposed to be thin New York style pizza in a warehouse space. Sounds good to me. I'm hungry. It sounds easy and delicious, and it's right by our hotel.
Look, Papa, look.
Oh, did you color the pizza?
Yes. Why are you married, Mama?
Because I love Papa. Okay, it's official. I like Atlanta. I could imagine living here. It's 10 p.m. and all the kids are just jumping into this fountain with all their clothes on and no shoes, and there's a Ferris wheel. I like the fashion in Atlanta. I like that there's always loud music blasting. There's something about Atlanta that's really fun.
Take off my boots.
Oh no, you need to keep your boots on.
But the people with taking off their boots.
No, you have to wear your boots.
that was fun. We just like happened upon that tonight. It was awesome. We were on our way to the Ferris wheel, but this ended up being way more fun. The fountain was going and there were all these bright colored lights. It was like a party down here. And of course, Lyndon has to go potty. And we're walking around the park. We're in front of the Sky View Atlanta. This kind of stuff, I love it. It looks beautiful and huge, and it looks like the little capsules are enclosed, so it's not super scary.
Good girl. Okay, step up, there we go. There you go.
Can I go to tight?
And that's your, the red button, that's your emergency button if you need us, okay?
Tight.
Okay, good to know.
Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're safe, Lyndon. Look, it's all closed. You can't fall out.
That's a circle. Oh, that's a circle.
I see the circle. We're up in the circle.
Up in the circle.
We're gonna go up in the sky.
Wow.
Ah,
Look,
it's
we
so
can
pretty.
See out there.
Mabel loves it.
Wow.
I love it. Oh, look, the fountain is the shape of the Olympic rings. You wouldn't know that unless you came up here to see.
I see cranes. I see a building.
It's not scary.
It's not
Yeah,
scary
it's
at
so
all.
fun.
It's awesome.
Is it really fun,
Can I
Lyndon?
do
It's not
it for-
fast.
Can I do it for 6 times?
Well, we do it 3 times. That's what he said. But we
Okay.
can do it another day too.
I
This
just
is
want to do
actually
it.
pretty fun. Oh, we're at the top.
I love this.
You love this? Oh, I'm so glad. Lyndon thought she was going to be scared, but it turns out she loves this. Look at all the big buildings.
Ferris wheel.
Do you remember where we are?
Can you do 5 times Ferris wheel?
Well, the Ferris wheel was a hit. Right away, Lyndon said, "This isn't scary." She said, "Can we please go 6 times?" Because I told her it was only going to go 3 times. And then after we went 3 times, it kept going. So I think we got 5 in there.
I'm pooping, Mama. Just pretending.
Okay, don't poop in a Ferris wheel.
That's funny. Well, I'm pooping.
You're pooping.
Don't poop